Everybody, in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to set up Discord server subscription system using Whop. So before we get started, I just want you guys to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more amazing helpful content like this. With that all being said, let's get started with today's video. Alright guys, so I am going to the official Whop website. So to create a paid Discord subscription system, first of all you have to create your Discord server. So just create a Discord server. It's pretty straightforward. And then you have to create a Whop account. So before linking your Discord server to a Whop account, you need to create a Whop account and add your company. So it's easy to get started with Whop. It takes less than 5 minutes to create an account for your business. To create a Whop account, just go to whop.com and create an account there. It's pretty straightforward. And once you have done that, just add Discord app to your Whop and connect to your server like this. And yeah, it's pretty straightforward. You can just Google it if you want. But yeah, once you have done that, just sign up for Stripe payments. So sign up for Stripe payments is the final step to joining Whop and monetizing your new community. So just sign up for Whop, and yeah, that's about it. Now you can just start promoting your server. And yeah, this is how you do it, guys. Now you can earn money by selling subscriptions to your Discord server. So yeah guys, this is how you do it. If you found this video to be helpful, then thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video very soon. Peace.